come up with a good, a product, a service. We structure these entities, at least all the big corporations and high net worth families. What they do is these entities are structures, and they're created in a way that start to protect. They offer levels of protection for your assets. Now, for those of you that are confused on what an asset is, or if you don't know what that is, it's basically what can be taken away from you should something go wrong. Should the whole world explode tomorrow, what of yours can be taken away? Okay, and that's it's kind of a hard one to hear, because when I first tell it to people, people are like, well, I mean, so for some people that's a bank account. For some people that don't have a bank account, it's that box that you put whatever it is that you have, it's that, okay? And I don't judge, I don't care. That's where it starts, okay? So at the beginning of business, you guys, I say throw everything in a shoebox and then we'll talk about it. That's the first thing. I know everybody wants to open businesses, but let's rewind for a second, okay? Because I'm about to break something out to you that this is a piece that should be taught in schools. This is a piece that I'm passionate about, and this is really what I feel sets apart the businesses that I work with versus everybody else, okay? I don't have any but clients that have failed. I'm trying to think, I don't. And I don't take that lightly. I didn't do the work in those. All I did was make sure that they're set up correctly, that they start to have a good understanding of what goes on in their world, and then once we have that, we can now look at it, have an educated conversation about it, and now make the necessary adjustments to improve. And then that's how you make things happen faster. Okay, I see it time and time again where people, they don't care about the review part of it. If we're not reviewing the financials to make adjustments, then you're balancing a checkbook. Okay, I need people to understand that, and you don't need to pay me or anybody else at this rate to do that. You can kind of do that yourself. And when you're coming up with these numbers that you make up or that people tweak on these financials, you have to ask yourself, is that truly helping me long term? Okay, and I don't want to lose everybody in this, because I don't expect, this is not a course for me to make everybody accountants by any means. I am here to give everybody in the world, or anybody that would listen to me, this information. It's life changing.